Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In the first lesson, we have discussed about the alimentary canal and digestive glands. Today we discuss about the digestion, which are the different types of digestive enzymes and their action. Digestion starts in mouth. Inside the mouth, as you know, there is digestive gland. Digestive glands produce saliva. Saliva contains an enzyme, salivary amylase. AMYLASE, salivary amylase. This is important when we consider examination. The enzyme present in the saliva and its action is important. So, saliva contains salivary amylase, an enzyme. What is the function of salivary amylase? What is the function of salivary amylase? Salivary amylase digests starch into maltose. Salivary amylase digests starch into maltose. MALTOSE, maltose. Maltose is a sugar, a type of sugar. So, function of salivary amylase you got. Then the next enzyme is present in gastric juice. Inside the stomach there is gastric glands. They secrete digestive juice called gastric juice, which contains an enzyme called pepsin, pepsin. Gastric juice also contains hydrochloric acid and mucus. What is the function of pepsin, gastric enzyme pepsin? Function of pepsin is, it is a protein digesting enzyme. Pepsin digests protein into peptones. PEPTONES. Protein into peptones. So, pepsin function you got. What is the function of hydrochloric acid in the gastric juice? What is the function of hydrochloric acid in the gastric juice? First point, kill germs, microbes like bacteria. Second point, provide an acidic medium for the action of digestive juice. Provide an acidic medium in the stomach for the action of digestive juice. That means, in order to act pepsin on the food, acidic medium is essential. Acidic medium is essential. Only in the acidic medium, pepsin can act on the food. So, hydrochloric acid provides an acidic medium for the action of pepsin for digestive juice. What is the function of mucus? Function of mucus. Mucus protects the inner lining of the stomach. Mucus protects the inner lining of the stomach from the action of digestive juice. Mucus protects the inner lining of the stomach from the action of digestive juice. So, gastric juice contains an enzyme called pepsin, hydrochloric acid and mucus. I hope you could understand. The next is pancreas. Pancreas. Pancreas produces digestive juice called pancreatic juice. Pancreas produces digestive juice called pancreatic juice. It contains three enzymes. Which are they? Three enzymes present in pancreatic juice. One is pancreatic amylase. Pancreatic amylase. Another one is trypsin. 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 Another one is pancreatic lipase. Pancreatic lipase. Lipase. Pancreatic lipase. So, three enzymes present in pancreatic juice. We can study their functions. What is the function of pancreatic amylase? Pancreatic amylase digests starch into maltose. In the mouth, complete digestion of starch does not occur. Remaining part of starch digests in the small intestine. So, pancreatic amylase digests starch into maltose. Next is trypsin. Trypsin is a protein digesting enzyme. Trypsin is a protein digesting enzyme. Trypsin digests protein into peptides. 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 Then pancreatic lipase. Lipase digests fat into fatty acids and glycerol. So, three enzymes in pancreatic juice, their function also you got. I hope you could understand this lesson. Inshallah, we will discuss the next part in another lesson. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.